Hello, my name is Ronald Reagan. I was born in 1911. I was the 40th President of the U.S. My life was so long. I led my country. I had many jobs. My story is simple. It is a good one. You can read it. You can learn my life. You can learn some lessons. They are very good. I worked very hard. I always did my best. I served my country. My life was a journey. This story is easy. The words are very short. It is for new learners. You can practice with me. You will learn English. You will read my story. You will learn my life. Let us now begin. I was born there. Dixon was my home. It was very small. I was a boy. My family was poor. My brother was good. We lived very simply. We had no money. I loved to play. I played with my friends. We played baseball often. We played in the town. I had a job. I was a lifeguard. I saved many lives. It was my first job. My mother was good. She read me books. She taught me faith. She loved me much. My father was kind. He taught me lessons. He worked very hard. He was a shoe salesman. Life was a game. I always played fair. I was an honest boy. I did no wrong. I loved the world. The future was bright. I had big dreams. I worked very hard. This was the lesson 10. Work hard for dreams. Be a good person. Family is very key. I went to college. It was in Illinois. The school was small. I played many sports. I had a new job. I was a radio man. I spoke about sports. My voice was strong. I went to Hollywood. I was an actor. I made many films. I worked very hard. I was in movies. I played many parts. I was on the screen. I liked being famous. It was my new life. I was a new man. Hollywood was great. It was my new home. I learned new things. I spoke to people. I worked with stars. It was so much fun. I loved my work. I always gave my best. I was always good. I was a big star. People knew my name. They watched my films. I was very popular. I was the Gipper. This was the lesson 9. Love your work. Always do your best. Start your new life. I fell in love. I married a woman. Her name was Nancy. She was my great love. We had 2 children. We raised a family. They were my joy. My kids are great. My family was first. I loved them much. They were my home. They were my support. I made a home. It was a good place. We had simple rules. We were a team. My wife was a help. She was a good friend. She was my best friend. We did things together. We were always close. We held hands always. We faced life's problems. We were a strong team. My children were my heart. They were my whole world. I loved to be there. I liked being a father. I was a good father. I tried my very best. My family was happy. My heart was full. This was the lesson 8. Love your wife. Love your children. Family is very key. I was now older. I entered politics. It was a new thing. I was not an actor. I ran for office. I ran for governor. It was a big race. I worked very hard. I won the race. I led the state. It was a big job. I liked my new job. California was great. I led a big state. I helped many people. I made new laws. I served my people. It was my big duty. It was a good time. My life changed a lot. The job was tough. I made hard choices. People were not happy. but I did my job. I learned much then. I learned to lead. I learned to speak. I learned to listen. My new life started. It was a new day. I was not an actor. I was a real leader. This was the lesson 7. Learn to lead. Serve a good dream. Change your life. I ran for president. It was a big race. I spoke to the people. I told my big dream. They voted for me. I won the race. I was a president. I had a new job. It was a great job. It was a big honor. I led the country. I led the whole world. I lived in Washington. The White House was big. I worked very hard. My days were long. I gave big speeches. I spoke to my country. I had a strong voice. People listened to me. I made big laws. I had many ideas. I changed the economy. I worked for the people. I faced big problems. I faced big challenges. I had to be strong. I had to be bold. It was my great duty. It was my big honor. I served my country. I served all the people. This was the lesson 6. Have a great honor. Lead your country. Serve your people. The economy was bad. People had no jobs. Prices were very high. The country was sad. I had a new plan. It was a new idea. It was called Reaganomics. It was very good. We cut the taxes. Taxes were too high. People kept more money. They could buy more. We cut the rules. The rules were too many. Businesses could grow. The economy got better. More people found jobs. Prices went down. The country was happy. My plan was a hit. The economy was strong. The country was strong. My plan worked well. It was a great win. People were hopeful. The future was bright. They had a new chance. My plan was working. This was the lesson 5. Help the people. Make your plan work. This is a good lesson. The world was split. East and West were separate. We had a Cold War. We were not friends. I had a big plan. I spoke to my enemy. I told him my wish. My wish was for peace. I went to Berlin. I saw a big wall. I gave a great speech. I had a loud voice. I said a famous line. Tear down this wall. I said it for all. The world heard my words. The wall came down. The Cold War ended. The world was new. It was a great peace. I worked with friends. We stood all together. We made a good plan. We had a good goal. Peace was my goal. I worked for peace. I worked for freedom. I worked for all. My words were my tools. They helped me much. They changed the world. They were my great hope. This was the lesson 4. Let your words help. Change the world. Work for peace. I was an actor. I played a new part. I was George Gipp. It was a famous role. He was a football star. He was very famous. He was very brave. He was very strong. He gave a great speech. He told his team, "Win this for Gipper." They won the big game. People watched the film. They loved my part. They gave me a name. The Gipper was my name. I liked my new name. It was for a hero. It was a good name. It was my own name. People yelled it loudly. They yelled it to me. When I gave speeches, they called me Gipper. The name was a gift. It was a new part. I kept it with me. It stayed with me. It was my new name. It was my life now. The Gipper was me. It was me always. This was the lesson 3. Your name is a gift. Take a new part. Your name is you. My time was ending. I was an old man. I left my big job. I went back home. People remember me. They talk of my work. My legacy is freedom. My legacy is strength. I helped the country. The economy was strong. People had new jobs. I was a good leader. I helped end the war. The Cold War was done. I spoke for freedom. I worked for the world. My words were a tool. My words were a guide. They were very strong. They were very true. I had a big impact. I changed the country. I changed the world. I did my great duty. I worked to be good. I worked to be just. I worked to be right. I worked for my home. This was my big goal. To leave a good mark. To help the country. To help all the people. This was the lesson too. Work to be good. Leave a good mark. Serve your country. Life is a journey. I learned so much. Every day has lessons. Learning never stops. You must be strong. You must have a faith. You must have a dream. You must work hard. Freedom is so good. You must protect it. You must work for it. It is a big gift. America is great. It is a good home. It is a great dream. It is a great place. Believe in yourself. You can do it. You can reach your goal. You can live a good life. This is my message. My final words. I hope you learned. I hope you are strong. I hope you succeed. I hope you live well. I hope you find peace. I hope you find joy. I loved my country. I loved my family. I loved my new life. My life was so good. I lived a full life. I am happy now. I have no regrets. It was my great time. This was the lesson 1. Your life is a gift. Learn from the past. You can be strong. What is your favorite part? Which lesson from Ronald Reagan helps you most? How will you use his story? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Be brave. Speak truth. Keep going.